Hey y'all, it's Stacy with SouthernBite.com. Do you have a recipe that calls for you to salt vegetables to draw out excess moisture? Is that even important? I'm going to explain it all in today's lesson. Now, you might have a recipe that calls for you to salt vegetables to draw out excess moisture. Maybe you're making a cucumber salad, or you're frying green tomatoes or eggplant, and the recipe specifically tells you to do that, and you're thinking to yourself, why do I even have to do this? Well, there are a couple reasons why we might want to salt vegetables to draw out the excess moisture. In the case of something like fried green tomatoes, since vegetables are mostly moisture or water, when we salt them to draw out that excess moisture, what's going to happen is, once we've breaded and fried our green tomato, if there's still excess moisture in here, that moisture is going to leach out into our breading and make it soggy. It might even make it fall off. In the case of the eggplant, salting it will also help to reduce some of the bitterness that you might find in an older vegetable. In terms of cucumbers, drawing that excess moisture out in advance will help us to prevent having a really watery, soggy dressing. So to do that, it's very easy. Slice your vegetables just like this. I'm using some kosher salt on both sides, and I'm going to place these right in a colander. That salt is going to work to draw that excess moisture out, and it's going to help to enhance the flavor a little bit. I'm going to let this sit for 15 to 20 minutes and let it work. All right, so our salt is dissolved, and you can see that we've actually got quite a bit of liquid here in the bottom of our bowl. You could also do this over the sink. Our salt is completely dissolved, and what we're going to want to do is blot away the excess moisture and wipe away any salt that remains. You could do this on clean kitchen towels or paper towels like I've got here, and then you're ready to move on with your recipe.